Let's talk about the currencies then, and the Indian rupee has extended losses on the back of a disappointing factory output data. The rupee today has closed at 53.63, more than 0.25% of a decline coming in for that one. For more on the currencies, let's go across to Pramit Brahmbhatt. He's CEO Alpari Forex and he joins us from Ahmedabad. Pramit, hi, welcome to the show. It has been quite an eventful week and the closing has been like that as well. How have you read into what RBI has done in this week?
Hi Manisha, the move of RBI is more to avoid the speculative activity rather than to bring rupee down from the existing level. And we have seen that after the move the rupee did appreciated a lot, almost 1 rupee, and that can easily curb the speculative activity. But I don't see that is going, the gains are going to sustain for a long term, and we can see the rupee will be back in higher 53 range, maybe in 54 in coming week.
So Pramit, would you say that markets would really ride over whatever RBI has done and perhaps the concerns are more high?
I think we have to see a continuous action and the results coming out from Indian equity market as well as the other macroeconomic factors to support this decision taken by RBI. Otherwise, it can just be there for a day or two and then the gains made by rupee will be wiped off. So I think it has to be supported by the macroeconomic factors within the Indian economy.
Pramit, what kind of a range would you be working with now for the coming week?
Coming week, I would say that 52.80 to 54.20 would be the range. Looking at rupees getting a strong support at the 54 level, 53.90 level. So dollar is not managed to break that level. So I think that 54.20 will be the very crucial level for dollar to break before it can have the way further. But the range would be 52.80 to 54.20, sort of broad range we can see.
While the India-centric concerns are really high, Pramit, how do you look at the European concerns? How do you look at the euro and its impact on the rupee?
Euro is having a mixed bag after the results from the European countries where the political scenario is changing. From there we have seen today that Germany and France has got a better result of bond auction. So that is giving the good feel. But on the other side, the Spain is coming back. So it's a mixed bag, and against that the US is also not doing that great. So the global scenario is more of a mixed bag, but the India is getting the dual effect. The local sentiments are also weakening rupee. At the same time, any global weakness is also causing weakness in rupee, but any global good news is not affecting rupee towards the stronger side. So rupee is having a really difficult time at this point of.
One final word, Pramit. So where do you put money when it comes to currencies for the next week?
I think globally the dollar is getting stronger. If you look at it against yen or euro or GBP, the dollar is looking stronger on back of weaker global economic concerns, and the dollar index is getting stronger. It seems that if it can break 80 level, it can go into 81.50 sort of level. So dollar is the currency, it seems, considering the commodity currency is weaker as well as the uncertain market conditions.
All right, so weak commodity currencies, weak Asian currencies, and the dollar only seems to be a safe haven right now. Pramit, thank you so much for joining us with your strategies on currencies, and that is how Alpari is telling you to trade them in the coming 1 week.